Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Monday, July 12th, 1999, 8 am. We are very happy to see these messages printed. They are precious and must touch the hearts more than some of my writings, which Abbasis who are not keen on this kind of reading sometimes find difficult. These contacts will arouse many comments. It is inevitable. Rationalistic people will make criticisms. They will have only to understand that an important component in another world is out of their reach. While following a spiritual way, they will either become aware of their gaps on this aspect or reject this possibility altogether. The same is true for what is not perceptible by all. By refusing them, they will miss a simple teaching which targets the heart. In addition to the vibration emanating from these messages, they will lose the benefit of a kind of special and subtle transmission. One cannot force people's minds to open up. Others will make the most of them and will be able to derive all possible benefit from them. It is high time now for people to open up to this reality. God wants it to. Humanity must open its eyes on this beyond, with which certain beings can communicate. This is not new and has been happening since the midst of time. The time has come when ignorance on this point must disappear little by little. It will take much time. Men are often obstinate. They believe in ineptitude and reject truths. It is not possible to enlighten them about this point by force. They must progress in their understanding. Be happy, you who have already taken this step, Babuji. Monday, July 12th, 1999, 10 am. For this kind of contact, it is enough to have a good channel. This choice must be rigorous. Therein, as well as in many other areas, one can find anything. My child, not only did our two souls meet again through Sahaj Marg, but we can communicate thanks to this means. It is our great luck and shared joy. When you leave this earth, another medium will take over from you to express herself on our behalf. We are preparing this soul. It is a long-term work to establish a suitable and reliable connection. We will entrust this soul, to your care. The medium says, Beloved Babuji, you fill me with joy by thus putting your trust in me. You know that only one thing matters to me, to please you. Everything is being set up for your current and future mission. Yes, we trust you. What cannot be achieved physically, you do it differently. Let us stick to the present. All these instructions about the future, which I have requested you not to note down herein, will be implemented when times come. This boy is for you a spiritual son who carries weight. You respect one another. His partner will play another role. You, the holders of these messages, you should remain united through the heart and in contact no matter what happens. You, my daughter, you always do all that you can physically, and you carry a torch that noble souls can see. It is nowhere near dying out. Spare yourself, my child, Babuji.